One. Wow! Did you see that? Fuck! Hey, you want it? How about you hover it and I'll grab it?
No, so how about you hold it?
All right.
Either that or auto it in so the impact is. Do an auto rotate so it's not so hot.
Be careful. Hang on, Lloyd. Watch the tail.
Yeah, watch the tail.
Oh, I'm gonna grab the whole shit out of it. I know, but alright, hang on. Watch the head.
Remember the dude in New York?
Sorry.
Oh man, sorry.
Got it.
Right. Oh, nice catch. I hope we got that on video.
That's the craziest thing I've ever seen.
Wait, doesn't it sometimes shut off?